Hello, my name is Willa, and I am coming to you today to tell you about a contact tracer position that pays between $17 to $22 an hour. It is a contract temporary job. The time limit is between 6 months to a year. You will have training from the comfort of your home, and you will also work from the comfort of your home. You will need a Windows laptop or desktop, possibly a Windows 10. It didn't specify, but I just gather it's either Windows 10. But they will let you know further information once you apply. Ajilon is a staffing company and is looking for customer support professionals to work in a vital track and trace position that helps prevent the further spread of the COVID-19. There are both in-house and remote opportunities, and qualified candidates will have the ability to investigate and log sensitive information. The responsibilities for this position: calling contacts of newly diagnosed COVID-19 patients and communicating further actions to those individuals with professionalism and empathy. Collecting and recording highly sensitive information into a secure web base. You will follow approved call scripts to collect and share information with interviewees while maintaining adherence with policies and procedures. You will be providing contact individuals with approved quarantine procedure information and, if appropriate, making resource referrals. The requirements for this position is 1 to 2 years of customer service experience working from home or in a call center is preferred. The ability to follow a script and communicate with the utmost professionalism and empathy with limited supervision. There's also public or private healthcare experience would be a plus. HIPAA knowledge is preferred but not necessary. Bachelor's degree is preferred, but they're also accepting high school diploma and GED. Bilingual is needed. Any language paired with English is a major preference. The hours of operation for this position will be Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So if you have the above qualifications, please apply to the link below this video.